Hey guys, D-Rage here. I'm gonna do a quick unboxing. I had to remove the label so Amazon doesn't complain. But here it is. This is the first alert. Marine. Oh, get rid of the Amazon box. Previously opened. So this is the first alert Marine Fire Extinguisher. So these are great for boats, jet skis. This particular one, is branded specifically for jet skis. There's no real reason why you cannot use it in a boat. It's not very expensive, and it's really good. I'm replacing my current one. The salt water and stuff caused a crack on my previous one, so I figured buy this brand and try a different brand. All right, so without further ado, let's open this baby up over here. See what comes inside, and if it comes with everything we need to tie it up. And there it is. Put the box aside. All right, it comes with our first alert manual there, and it comes in case you need a place to strap this in. If you don't already have it, in my case, I already have it in the jet ski, but there's a place to strap this in. You can take this off, and you can use this in your boat if you don't have it. It's very easy. Couple screws. Does not come with the screws, so you gotta fend for yourself there for the screws. Has some instructions in there. Very simple and easy to use. Pull the pin, push, pressure test, make sure it's good. This time I'm gonna probably take better care of it and make sure I wash it every time after I come back from the ocean. Actually wash this because I just left in there and kind of lasted for 2 seasons, 3 years maybe. So yeah, but I'd rather not have to spend the money every 3 years, so if I can afford it. But I'm not gonna use this one. I'm gonna leave it here for now. It's very easy to tie it up. It secures in place. To use it, of course, you just pull the ring and you spray it on the little trigger over here, right? To make sure the nozzle is here. You know where the nozzle is. So you would pull the ring, grab it by like 2 fingers, and use your nozzle. Of course, I'm not gonna do that, but yeah, that's it. Comes full, ready to be used, and in case there's a fire. These are great for the kitchen too, but you do not need the marine grade. You probably can, get a regular one, and it'll be just fine for the kitchen. This is marine grade, so I guess they put like special coating and stuff to resist the the water, the salt, stuff like that. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll talk to you guys later. Take care.